Hey everybody. Yeah, it's game dev time again. So last time, while working on this, we got to a point where, hold on. I forget the actual button, so this might end poorly, but we'll see. Yeah, get out of there, cursor. There's the bomb button. Yeah, I can pick up and throw bombs. Also, I really need to add a slider to the menu for how fast the camera moves. And all was well, and there's no problems whatsoever with them, except for the fact that, currently, picking up other players' bombs while possible, kind of sucks. So, definitely want to improve that a bit. So there's a couple phases to what I need to do for that. First thing though is I need to take the actual bomb prefab and make sure that we can request. Oh geez. Guess we're just stuck here now. I don't know what that was. Oh right, we have two bomb prefabs also. Yeah, so this photon view object, we need to make sure that its ownership transfer is set to takeover. Actually, you know what? Before I make a crazy system for this, hold on. What if I set the synchronization to reliable? Maybe that just fixes the whole issue. This may cause it to get horribly out of sync, but, well, we'll see. Oops, not that. I just want, oh yeah, no, I do need to pick a, folder, don't I? Meh. Good enough. It's okay if this doesn't work, and I'm kind of expecting it to not work. I have a plan. My thought process is we can change who owns the bomb, which that should be relatively straightforward, but the tricky part from there is we also need it to well, that's gonna break the code for like tracking how many bombs the player has available, so I'll need to do something about that. And I've got thoughts on how to do that, but I don't know if it'll work or not, so alright, how... Before I blow myself up... Okay, E is to detonate, so I think R is the button to pick it up? Yeah. So move around with that just fine. It seems to be not like desyncing or anything like that on the other player's screen. But more importantly, if the other player goes to pick that up, will it still be laggy like before? Oh, it's like worse now. Interesting. But yeah, I mean, that's more or less what we were seeing last time, was that, like, this was not a, like, crazy reliable way to, handle the pickup. Okay, so back to the original plan, that's fine. But yeah, both in terms of, like, keeping track of the bomb count and also, like, for example, these types of bombs, letting them still be detonatable by whoever actually owns them. Cool. Oh, we do need to update the bombs again then. I don't know if we need that. I actually don't know what this was previously. So I think I might just revert. It was set to 3, so this is 1. So whatever this was, I guess. And yeah, there we go. Oh, but we also want to change ownership to takeover. Because with fixed, it won't let us switch what's currently owning it. And we could use request, but then we have to create like a listener event to like on request for transfer, make sure that like it says yes, you can take this. We tried this before to fix a different issue, and we ended up finding a different solution because it didn't work, whatever I did. So I'm gonna focus on doing this first, and if this doesn't work, then I'll probably need to take another approach here. Also, a couple other things I'd like to add tonight, around just like having the bomb not blow up when you're holding it, maybe resetting the timer when you throw the bomb or put it down, and then probably maybe preventing like remote bombs from being triggered when you're holding them. But this is the more important thing to fix, so I'm gonna try this first. Okay, so here is the pickup. Right, and we give it the ID of the player. Okay, so that's kind of promising because we can actually like, I think this is how we're gonna sync back. I don't need to worry about this yet, but I will need to worry about it. Of actually going back to tell the player that originally placed the bomb, hey, your bomb blew up, now you can go ahead and pick it back up. Although, actually, I think one thing that might just solve this altogether is if I just transfer the bomb back to the player after they're done throwing it. That honestly seems like it would be the easiest way to solve pretty much all of these problems. So I'm gonna give it a try here. Oh, right, I had some documentation over here. So... when we do pickup, yeah, okay, so we'll have, right, okay, that's perfect actually. That will be so we already have the context of like, here's the player trying to pick this up. So maybe instead of this, we'll almost want to do something like, this is view ID. I'm looking at the example code and they're using a field called ID, but it's also off of an object called photon player and not photon view. Hmm. Someone requests ownership. This will be called... Current owner calls transfer ownership requesting player.id to actually transfer the photon view to its new owner. Okay. Trying to find, like, it's a demo project and it references stuff in the project, but I actually can't, like, I don't see, like a download button or anything. It's just like, hey, here's some stuff going on. So instead of that, maybe like on view. Does this have a photon player? I didn't think so. But there's like the one management class, right? Player manager. Are you a photon? No. Do you have a photon player? No. Does the player prefab have a, like... I don't know what the hell a photon player is. That's probably okay, but I don't know. Is there like a... Oh, there you go. Okay, that's actually perfect. That's what I need. So player picking up dot owner. Oh. This is gonna be silly, but it'll work. I can spell. Okay. Oh, that's the mesh, not the actual bomb script. As a safety precaution here, I'm gonna put this in. don't know if this is example code or this is like actually an override. It doesn't seem to be an override or like a inheritance thing that I'm implementing here. There might be like a different base class I need this to inherit from though too. Oh, wait, we have spawned by player. Do I set that anywhere? I do. But that's gotta be null. I would imagine. Oh, oh, nice! Haha! Oh, I have this jank in here, okay. So that's actually not null for everybody, it sets it doing that. Okay, cool. So transfer that, and oh, and also in here. What am I doing? Hoping I don't need to do that. Like, this seems, from the example code I'm looking at, it seems like this is the thing you use when you have the ownership set to request instead of just transfer. So it like needs to check this, but I'm gonna check regardless and just see what happens. And then instead of issuing an RPC. Let's see if this is okay or not. So the interesting thing too is, where is this? Handle explosion, right? Oh, no, explode is what I'm looking for. Yeah, okay, so this I almost, I need to alter this slightly, but this actually might work pretty smoothly. It's kind of nice. Well, regardless, that part I don't care about as much right now. Whoa! So test number 1, does pickup still work after doing all this craziness? Huzzah! Alright. Kerblam! Now, does it work? Does this transfer code work at all? I could probably skip that ownership transfer if it's our bomb we're picking up. Just realized that. Whatever. You know, with the throw code, I could actually just walk over there and grab that. I don't even need to, or like toss it over there, I mean. Alright. Now you go pick that up. I'm gonna do my best to keep the camera relatively anchored. Okay. Well, it looks like I own that now, which is cool. It's not... Something went wrong here. Picking something up. Okay, so that on ownership transfer did not get called, but more importantly, it did transfer the ownership. Some things didn't work right, though. It didn't disable the physics stuff. That's what well, it disabled it on one end, but not the other. You there, who owns you? Nice, okay, there you go. Creator, player 1, owner, player 2. I really should have changed my username to not be the same thing. Spawned by player U. Oh, I guess I can't really see held by player. Oh yeah, held by player's not even public, so I wouldn't be able to see that anyway. Okay. How did I just fall? The hell? Okay, but that is my bomb, so I should be able to detonate it, right? I can't. Can the other player detonate it? Oh, wait, I pressed the wrong button. Hold on. Okay, that blew up. It blew up on this end, too. However... So, regular bomb, just detonate it. Oh, I can't detonate that. What the heck? Now that's very unexpected. I also can't detonate it. I can pick it up. It seemingly has the same issue. I saw the shadow, yeah. I can't detonate it. Still can't detonate it over here. Okay, well something weird's going on, that's for sure. Oh hey, your bombs disappear if you disconnect. Neat. Okay, what did I look over here? What are we missing out on with not calling this as an RPC? Not handle bomb throw. Not drop bomb. How did this work before? I'm a little confused. Oh, right. Okay, so because the rigid body... Oh, you know what? I wonder if there's maybe errors getting thrown that I just am not seeing. So the rigid body only gets set... where the hell does it get set? Oh no, it's implicitly set. target player. Oh. I think I kind of understand what's happening. So, because the other player spawned it, there's a piece I'm still missing here, but because the other player had spawned in the object, they had a rigid body that was active for it. Oh, do we, like, delete the rigid body for everyone that's not the owner? That might be the case. Do I have it? Is there an initialize? Here's an initialize. Init params. Init bomb data. Oh, that's different. I'm not seeing anything of the sort, though, which is weird. Wait, which piece of this has a rigid body? Because maybe it's on a different script. It's the only other thing that makes sense to me here. Okay, yeah, so it's not on the base thing here. It's down here. Maybe the bomb mesh script, like, deletes the rigid body if you're not... Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, God, okay. This is kind of still workable. So, half of the problem I can fix easily, which is, well, maybe we shouldn't be destroying it, but disabling it. I think that's possible, right? Hold on. Unity set component active. Oh, maybe rigid body is like special and it can't. God. Unity rigid body enable disable. You can't enable or disable rigid body, you can destroy it. Damn it. Whoa, stop playing two different soundtracks, please. Okay, so that's still okay. All we need to do... We'll need to do some RPC fuckery here. We'll need to tell... Like, so the person that creates the bomb will just have to have the rigid body, and then they can manage all of it. Or anywhere we're doing rigid body stuff, we need to, like, just make sure that that gets called out to them. Not sure where that is. Yeah. I'm actually shocked that that's not like throwing a ton of errors, but maybe it is, and I'm just not seeing it. Okay, so toss bomb. You know what, actually? I think I can fix all of this if I just, like, at this point, just return ownership to the original person, because that needs to happen anyway. And I think we're good. Okay, yeah, you know what? We'll do that. So transfer ownership back to created by, spawned by player, dot get photon view owner. And I think that fixes almost everything. The only thing I need to also fix is, oh yeah, up here too, when you drop it. Is just this last thing here. Okay, so here we've transferred it. That's everywhere we mess with the rigid body. So this is the last one we need to mess with. So we don't need to fuck her. I don't think we need to do this at all anymore. The only thing is we need to set this after. So we need to turn off gravity before we transfer ownership, and we need to set who it's held by after we transfer ownership. And I think that covers all I need to do. And then, so I don't need this check. This doesn't need to be an RPC. Just pass the player. And then instead of transferring on, actually, you know what? At this point, we don't even need to. Let's move all that stuff up here. Get rid of this method entirely. Don't need this code. I may regret this, but hey, that's why we have source control. I can just roll this back if this is not functional. I think we can just assume that target player won't be null because we'll have the actual object reference and we're not trying to match IDs now. Yeah, so the only thing to do is set gravity to false before transferring ownership, and then these other two things to afterwards. Cool. I don't know if this is asynchronous or not. Like, it's a network call, so you kind of assume it would have to be, but hopefully not. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Oh, there's one last thing that I don't need to do. If photon view dot get dot owner dot id no dot Oh, actually, you know what I can do? Instead of all that, I can just do is mine. So now we only transfer ownership if we need to. Um... I'm just thinking the other ownership transfers we don't really need to... We could skip these two if it's already the same guy. I don't know, maybe there's already shorthand for that and I don't need to worry about it. Okay, in theory this should all work. So let's see what horrible errors I've created for myself in doing this. Just started off with a solo test real quick. Okay. Certainly seems to be functional again. Oh, and it even reset my bomb counter. Oh, well, of course it would, because I'm just me. It never actually changed anything. Okay. That's fine. No problems there. Now let's see about touching other bombs. Not really sure why I was able to detonate it the one time and then not able to detonate anything after that, so that's probably something to look at. Ooh. I swear, there's gotta be something going on with, like, something that just doesn't initialize right sometimes. Or maybe it's just taking a while. I'm being impatient. Because there is, like, an error log and an error screen it should theoretically pop up with it that never gets, like, that never fails to initialize. But, I don't know. I went too fast. Rate the room, wait for me to join. That's not the center, this is the center. I could just make players start with the remote bomb, then I wouldn't need to worry about this nonsense. Okay, so far so good. Oh wait, I'm picking up my own bomb though. Can still detonate stuff, that's good. Okay, I've laid 3 bombs. Oh my gosh. Yo. Hey, what's up? Thank you for the raid, Ravier. How did your stream go? Good. Glad to hear it. Oh, error. Okay. Interesting. Anyway, yeah. What's up, everybody? Got cargo delivery missions working. Awesome. For anyone that's not familiar with me, I'm Mr. Goon. On Sundays I work on games. Currently we're working on a sort of Bomberman-esque clone that's got netplay. And I am trying to make it so that when you pick up bombs, it goes smoothly. I think we're almost there. But there's okay. I think I did something too early. Oh, okay. I know what I did wrong. So this I actually need to call I need to call an RPC, because so we're calling pickup on the code of the person that's picking it up, which is not yet the person that owns this object, and because they're not the ones that spawned the bomb, they don't have the rigid body on there, so it's a null reference. Okay, so simple enough. This might cause problems with us immediately calling transfer ownership. Again, I don't know. I guess we're about to learn. You know what? I can put debug statements to check. I'm not sure how to better explain what's going on, if that didn't make any sense. But, yeah, so essentially, since this is a networked game, there's a concept of, like, an owner for all the dynamic objects in the game, and, just to make things sync better, so whoever owns an object, it sends, like, data using the framework that I'm using, which is called Pun. It syncs their location constantly, so I don't really need a a rigid body on all of them doing calculations constantly, and that especially causes issues when I'm trying to pick the bomb up, because other clients don't know that one person's holding it, so like the gravity code still runs and it just basically falls down in front of them. So what I did to circumvent that is I just removed the rigid body on everybody that's not the person that spawned the actual bomb. But that's causing issues because the throwing code temporarily disables gravity on the rigid body while the player's holding it. But this code right here is running when whichever player is picking up the bomb, or on the computer of whoever's picking up the bomb, which is not necessarily the person that spawned it. So there's just a null thing there. So to get around that, we're making a network call, and oh, actually, you know what? I don't even need to do photon view as mine. I can just check, is bomb rigid body not null? This should only run on one machine, which will be the one I'm targeting. So now I don't even really care if these happen in sync, because it'll eventually get to the right PC, or the right instance of the game running, rather. Because I was going to do this other check called photon view.isMine, but as you can see, right after we do this, we're transferring the ownership, and that again just ties into just like limitations of the library. It can only sync so fast, even when I'm running locally on two instances at each other. So like, prior to tonight, picking up other players' bombs worked, but like it was really jagged and like it would sort of lag. It would keep up with your position, but it wasn't good. So we're trying to smooth that out by like transferring whoever owns the bomb when you pick it up. But there's other implications of doing so, which I am now running into. I did it again. Yeah, there's no error message or anything. Oh wait, there's a warning. What's this? Oh, connect using setting. Oh no, it's okay. It eventually worked. I don't know what that warning is then, but I guess the answer was we were just being impatient. There you go. I also need to test my remote bomb code a little bit, because we did see like a bug a second ago. Could have just been related to maybe a null reference that was getting thrown and I didn't see it. Anyway. Try to stand somewhere where I can see what's going on. Guess I gotta go over here. Or I'm just screwed. I don't know. Oh, I can just keep rotating. Haha! Alright. Other player. Pick that bomb up. Hey! Ooh! Yeah, okay, so we got a similar bug there. Now, is that only when I'm throwing it, or is it for throwing and dropping? Because those are two separate code paths. Yeah, okay, both blow up. Noted. We're getting closer, though. And it's the same error, so I'm sure... Sure I can fix this. Something's not right here. Oh, this is the... Wait, no, what? So these are just two directions. How do I not use the X and Z for anything? Oh, there we go. Wait, I don't... Wait, how does this work then? What? I mean, my throwing logic does work. Oh, yeah. Okay, we use this later. So... I think I just need to screw with this a little bit here. So we're already calling toss bomb on all PCs. So instead of just like hard exiting if it's not, if this isn't the owner running this code, I think we want to, if it's the owner, transfer ownership back to, actually I'll take this comment as well because it's still applicable. Oh, actually, no. Don't just return, because the owner could be the person holding the bomb as well. And then essentially... we're not the original owner, which this is a weird calculation, but whatever. Or not, like, this is a weird, like, conditional for it, but it is the most accurate way I can do this, actually. Or at least accurate and succinct. Then just exit out. And I don't care if this is finished transferring or not yet, because this will be the instance that we need to modify, so all these flags can be set like this. Yep. Cool. I almost need like some central manager to like help figure out all of these and have that just the server host like run that code and nobody else. It'd almost be better. A manager. Well, the problem is the script is doing a lot of duties, because, like, this is, like, one of the script per bomb in the scene. So it's kind of weird. But also, what's up, Epia? How you doing? True game developer. Now, this is what makes me a true game developer. My player file is... Actually, you know what? These are rookie numbers. My player file is only 470 lines long. For shame. Or my player class. Okay, I think that'll do it. Oh, no, I need to do it for the drop bomb as well. .470, so professional. Basically, just do this exact same check here. Oh yeah, also if it's exploding, I guess we don't care. Do I not care about dropping it if it's exploding? Yeah, probably, yeah. Fine, we'll do it that way. Well, now this gets weird because held by player is... Yeah, that's set by whoever's actually holding it. Do we use this at all? Yes. That's just for the carry, though. I guess that's fine. I could simplify that a little bit, but it'll be fine. Alright, if it gets hung on the loading screen, we just wait is what I was going to say. Alright, so this is not aligned on either screen now. What the fuck is happening? Anyway, that doesn't matter. It's fine. One day I'll fix my UI, just like one day I'll add actual graphics to the game. And animations and such. And also sound and music that I'll get from somewhere. I don't genuinely have no clue what to do on that front. Where is my mouse? What am I about to click on? Oh, Jesus. No, I'm kidding. Alright, moment of truth. Hey, I can pick stuff up. Oh wait, but can I put stuff down? It works! Yeah. That was a little jagged, but it worked. Can I pick my own bombs up? Sure can. Will this blow up this bomb? Hopefully. Huzzah! Alright, can I blow stuff up as the other dude? Actually, can I blow stuff up as this guy? No. That's good. Shouldn't be able to do that. Oh, okay. So it's working. And also my bomb count reset. That's nice. But it did try... It tried to, Did I write this message? Where is this? Oh, yeah, no, I did not. It's like, that seems very, very verbose. Alright, I'm gonna log that bug. We might fix it tonight. Might also not. My bug log is... Oh, whatever. Put it here. So, what is this bug? Remote bomb picked up by other... Actually, I'm not even sure if that's true. Well, here. I'm just gonna put the, I'll put the full scenario down. Place remote bomb down as player 1. Player 2 picks up remote bomb. 3, player 2 throws remote bomb. 4, player 2 actually, alright. Place 3 remote bombs as player 1. Player 2 picks up remote bomb 1. Player 2 throws remote bomb 1. Player 2 blows up remote bomb 1. And I bet that's all I have to do to recreate this. I don't need anything more than that. 5. Player 1 attempts to detonate. Or presses detonate button. It tries to detonate bomb 1. Nothing happens, and warning is logged. 6. Subsequent presses of the detonation button from player 1 blow up remote bombs 2 and 3 as expected. There. It's my very official bug ticket that I have logged to myself. Anyway, let me verify something. So that was bomb 1. And then 2 and 3 will sit over here. Oh yeah, I don't have too many bombs either, or like it won't let me put 4 down. That's good. Good, good, good. Everything's mostly working. So I bet picking stuff up has nothing to do with this. I think it's blowing it up. But I should test that too. Okay. Oh, also I should say, warning is logged on player 2's debug log. It's kind of important. / relevant. Okay, so, now if I blow it up. Oh, wrong button. No, now it's in sync here. Okay, so I almost wonder... Maybe I don't even need to blow it up as the other player, but here, I'll put a bomb down, put 2 more down for fun. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe it does actually require like that whole sequence of picking it up, putting it down, etc., etc. Okay, so I've placed the bomb down. I cannot detonate it as player 2. That's good. That shouldn't be possible. But as player 1, it does blow up. Okay. So it is only specifically when all that happens. It's related to both the pickup mechanic and the explosions. I don't know why that is. But that's a very minor concern, honestly. I've logged it. Not worried about it. The bomb count is also synced up, so we have this like fully functional. That's awesome. I thought that was going to be a whole rabbit hole of reworking how we track how many bombs a player has. So other enhancements that I wanted to do tonight, stuff like freezing the timer on the bomb when you're holding it, preventing players from detonating bombs while you're holding them. That one I'm not sure I'm going to test on my own, but whatever. Oh, and resetting the timer on the bomb when you put it down, so you can't like cook a grenade. I don't know. Maybe that is fun. That might actually. You know what? I'm gonna make it this way. I'll put like a match setting for like whether or not bombs freeze time or whatever, so you can do it either way. Or bombs stop their timer when they're being held. I wonder too, like if I could have like a particle effect that I could like pause and resume when you're holding it, or just in general a little particle effect to make it look like it's sparking. I think that might be nice. And then on the remote bomb, maybe it'll turn blue instead of red, so it's like not armed or whatever. And that way you don't need to be paying like super close attention when you join a lobby, like, hey, what are the rules? Actually, right now you can't even see the rules when you join a lobby, but... However, before any of that chat, I'm gonna get up and stretch my legs for a second. Perhaps grab another beer, and then we'll do all that stuff. This is good. Wait, what is this NRE? Oh, it's that's when you exit. Yeah, I know about that. I haven't logged that. I should probably make a note of that. NRE logged when exiting match abruptly. Maybe we'll circle back and fix that other bug then too, because I actually thought this was gonna take me a lot longer to get working. even though it's been an hour. But yeah, hang tight. I will be right back. Enjoy some chill Nintendo music meanwhile. Ooh. This chat, but check it out. I got this a couple weeks ago. I got myself a Super NT. It came with a well, first of all, it came with 2 controllers, but it also came with a reproduction cart, not of Mega Man X. That's just my actual cart of Japanese Mega Man X. Oh, it's an SNES that has an HDMI output. Oh, actually, well, okay, not exactly. It's an SNES manufactured by a third party using like an FPGA, and it plays all regions of games also. And something just fell off over there when I picked it up. But yeah, pretty nifty. It's a neat little utility. Also has an SD card on the side, but I think that's just for firmware upgrades, because I don't think you can can't load flash cartridges or like flash ROMs into it unless you have a SD2 SNES, which I actually do have one of those. Yeah, and then this is just my Super Famicom version of Mega Man X. I also have an American version, but I think I got this because I don't have a physical copy of Mega Man X3, and I like that one a lot, but it's pretty expensive in the US, and it's not like the dialogue matters that much for those games, so I just bought the Japanese one, but it came as a pack with 1, 2, and 3. I think X2 is pretty rare, too. Yes. Unfortunately, I think they stopped making those Super NTs because they're more focused on... Oh, hold on. Sorry. The company that makes them is more focused on other machines, or... Crap, I forget the name of it. They have like a Game Boy one that they're working on now, and with general part shortages, they just... I'm just assuming they haven't said anything. They've just said, we're not making them anymore. But yeah, Analog is the company. But I got that off eBay, and the seller, for whatever reason, also threw in this repro cart of Chrono Trigger. It came with like a hand-printed case. It's actually kind of nice. It's like laminated and everything. And it does work, but it's most certainly not official. Though they etched Nintendo into this, so whoever actually made this cart, you know, whatever, not my problem. Which is nice. You know, the only console I have repro carts for is the Super Nintendo, and I have 3 of them. Though granted, the other 2 are both ROM hacks. I've got a physical cartridge of Brutal Mario World, which is a really, really old Mario World ROM hack. Which is pretty cool. And then I also have, I don't know where the hell Possum found it, but she got me, it's a ROM hack of Earthbound with the fucking My Little Pony characters as, like, every character instead of, like, Ness and Jeff and Paula and everybody. Like, it's just ponies. I don't know if it's ponies from the show, but it's like in the style of My Little Pony. Y'all may or may not remember me playing that on stream. But functionally, it's just like same story beats and everything. It's just, I mean, all the dialogue has changed, but it's the same story. Anyway, enough about all that. Right, so we have match settings, right? Yeah. Match settings. Bomb timer presets. when prone. Pause, bomb, timer, on grab. There we go. I feel like that does an equally good job at explaining what that means in less letters. I'll set this eventually with the UI, but for now, let's just go ahead and put it into logic here. Pardon me. Jesus. Sorry, everyone. Okay, we're gonna make is held protected. And now in our time bomb logic, damn it. How do we get the match settings? Alright, hold on. Go into game manager. Room manager? Why did I call it that? Whatever, man. Match settings. Okay, I can just call that. Nice. Yeah, there's also like video output settings you can adjust on it, so you can add in like what is it? Not scan lines. The thing to make it like run better on like, I don't know how you would get an HDMI out into a CRT, but like it has like adapter settings to like make it work better with older TVs. I think is what that does. I don't know. I've played with the settings, but I haven't really used it that much in practice. Also, I only have modern TVs in my house, so can't really compare. I got lost. Oh, time bomb. There we go. Handle timer. If room manager dot get match settings dot pause bomb on grab. Wait a second. Ah, man. Wait. Okay, I see some flaws in this logic. So my logic to like sync the bomb count only works because bombs don't blow up in people's hands, but they can actually they totally can right now, and that would break stuff. Shoot. But also, this code makes it kind of seem like this would just get called by everybody. But the explosion sends a message out so everyone can have it explode. I don't understand why that would be like that. This should just not what? Yeah, I'm gonna need to adjust that in a second, but I also need to adjust this, I think. Do I have a photon view in here? Oh yeah, that's nope. No, I don't. Alright. Parent class, Need to change the photon view to protected instead of private. Hope that doesn't screw up the assignment of it. If it does, I can just reset it. It's not a big deal. So if it's not mine, or if the pause timer is on and you're currently holding it, ignore this. Don't tick the timer down. Okay, so init bomb data, right? This one does nothing. Wow, actually the whole remote bomb does like nothing. Alright, so that'll pause the timer, but to reset it, we can just call init bomb data again, I guess. For everyone. Because why not? I hope this works. Okay. Oh, I need to do it up here too. This dropping is not the same thing as holding. Or throwing, I mean. Oh, well, that won't do anything. Oh, actually, wait, it will. Oh, also in the explode method. So we don't necessarily want to check that. So the person that manages this bomb, whether they're holding it or not, is going to call explode when it explodes. That's fine. And no one else should call it. So we don't need to make that check over here. Inside of this, though, increment bomb count, this is the right player, but we need to make sure that the right client gets this call. So this is almost fine, except I need to photonview.rpc. We need to send this out everywhere. Does it care about what exploded? I see. So this actually might fix the bug that we just saw too. So we need to remove the reference to this bomb. Or not remove it, we need to retain the reference to this bomb somehow. Because we can't just send the object data across the wire here, because that won't, it's not like a serializable like thing. Not sure if it'll get confused here. Because there's like two methods with the same... Actually, wait, no, we've run into this before. It does get confused. I got an idea. We could number the bombs as we initialize them, or instantiate them, and then we can just check, try to find that in that field there. And essentially what else we want to do here is this. First or default. Dot number equals bomb number. If exploded bomb is null. Oh, yeah. Log a warning. Otherwise, remove the bomb. Everything else in here should be fine. You know what? We're doing it everywhere else. I might as well just have this externally. Screw whatever coding principle it is where like you should only have one exit per method. Heck that person that said that. Alright. So, we're almost there. Now we need to add a public variable. No, we'll put it under all this stuff. So bomb number, and now we need to set it. Oh, I really hate that my init code fell this far down here. There we go. Now all players should set that field. I guess it only really matters to the person that owns the reference, but whatever, we're already calling this anyway for everything, so it's kind of whatever. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the target players, target everybody, and also pass the bomb number. Oh, wait. Exploded bomb dot bomb number. Pass that in. Actually, no, I was wrong. We do need that to be set on all clients because someone else could be calling this, which is why we're doing this RPC in the first place. This code's all been copied down. Wait. Yeah. Sorry. I fooled myself by reversing the if statement there. This may very well be horrible, like, netcode design patterns, but that's part of the reason I'm making this is just a general adventure in learning to make a netcode game. Okay, so I'm thinking essentially, right? It's a list, not a array. Just set the bomb number to how many bombs you have after adding it to the list. Simple as that. Does that become a problem? Yes. Because if you... Well, actually, yeah, it's gonna very quickly become a problem. You'll have a lot of, like, number 3s, because typically, first one will be the first one that explodes. Alright, we'll do this. So if there's not any bombs that are equal, that have the number of whatever you're on, then next bomb number equals I. And break. And that will always work. Yeah, that will always work. And then we just pass that in. And there we go. What's this yelling about? Oh, this wants me to do all not equal, I think. Let's see what it does. Yeah, no, fuck that. Not any. I just feel like not any is like more easy to parse visually. Okay, I think everything is good now. I guess we'll see. Well, number one, just need to test basic functionality on my own here. Man, it's really slow sometimes. I can place 3 bombs. They never blow up. Oh, there we go. Oh, I can't test the other functionality yet. Yeet! Yeah, okay, it seems to be correctly replacing my bombs. That's good. Let me go ahead and... I'll just do this. Very good code here. Unity has so many networking solutions, what made you pick Photon? This is kind of the first one that popped out at me. You know. There was also a... Oops. There was a global game jam where they were like kind of promoting Photon, and I started to work on that, but the people that I was trying to get to join me didn't really do anything, so that project slowly morphed into this just because I sort of already had a base template started. I'd totally be down to check other, much like how I'm totally down to check other like game engines at a certain point, or at some point. Totally open to checking out other frameworks and stuff. Just, you know, I don't want to spend all my time converting all my code over to the next thing, you know? I mean, hell, I'm not even on the most up-to-date Photon framework, because they just, like, made a new... Well, not just, but a couple months ago they came out with, like, a new thing, because I'm on Pun 2 right now. What's I doing? Oh, this. There we go. We're cheating. I don't feel like screwing with the UI right now, so we're just gonna do that. This shouldn't affect timed or remote bombs at all, but this should fix, or not fix. It should make my new thing work, or my new logic work. All right, so we're holding the bomb. This shouldn't blow up on me. It's not blowing up. That's good. I'll toss it. Does it blow up? Yep. This one does not. Put it down without throwing it. Since those are two separate branches of logic. There we go. Kinda don't want that firepower up. That's gonna... Nice! Alright, there we go. These still work normally. I don't know why they wouldn't. Press the wrong button. Whatever, that's fine. I already tested what I needed to test. The only other thing now is... I guess just making sure that works network-wise. I don't know why it wouldn't, but wouldn't hurt to check. Because, you know, famous last words as always. It's like, yeah, this should work totally fine. Everything breaks suddenly. And then we'll put a UI thing in to, like, toggle this setting. I kind of want that on by default, though. I guess I can make that happen. I don't know, man. Maybe I should just rename the variable so that it's like, the reverse of what it means now.
Welcome to the family, son.
Hey, Trance. Thanks for the follow. How are you doing? Which is one big loop? A little bit. I feel ya. Alright, so now I'm gonna retest that one bug. Wait, crap, I forget what order I laid these in. Whatever, the core principle of it should still work. Indeed. Likewise, yeah. Oh, did you, like, just come in here from something completely separate? Hey, I fixed that bug! With the other code I was editing. Why is this twitching so much? might be my hand. I don't know. Oh, I should really add a menu setting for the sensitivity of the like mouse and everything. Oh, from Ravier stream. Nice. Cool, cool. I don't know what I'm doing now. Wait, I laid 4 oh, I picked up a bomb upgrade. Don't mind me, chat. I totally know what I'm doing. I know how my own game works, it's fine. Okay, so that's all working fine. Oh, shit. I'm gonna take this bomb and get out of here. Okay, one thing I want to check, and this is gonna be kind of tricky to make this happen. Are you still working on... You've been doing game dev at some point on Twitch, right, Trance? I hope I don't have you mixed up, and I'm sorry if I do. There's a weird, like, delay to things on... How did I not die from that? Oh man, the tech. You can grab the bomb mid-air. And like, well, it doesn't really help you at all, but you know. At some point I'll get animations put in this thing. Been poking at uni stuff, yeah, I meant to do some tonight. But I gave into a Blender obsession instead. Hey, that's fair. That's how it goes.
Are you winning, son?
I am. The game is hella functional right now.
Nice. Are you being sarcastic?
No, it is actually. Sorry, that sounds sarcastic. Also, I don't know if anyone can hear Possum in the background, but she is in the room.
Hello. Waiting on the laundry to finish.
Heard. Epio heard you.
Hi.
Shoot, what else was I gonna do? Oh, make it so that players can't detonate bombs that people are holding.
No, I thought we agreed that would be funny.
Well, all toggleable in the menu, so you know.
I, for one, want to blow up my friends.
Oh yeah, actually, I'm gonna reverse this first. So, oops. So,
I'm literally waiting on the washer, so I'm just annoying you.
Goon says no explosions, not in my game. Okay, I think just don't pause bomb timer on grab. Yeah, that seems fine. And then go to all the usages of it and flip the logic. Oh no, why is that in this playlist? It had the death sound in Mario World that just played, and now it's doing like some remix of the main Mario theme. Oh, sorry, this is from the Super Mario Compact Disco. No. Okay, you know on YouTube how it has the most replayed segments?
Yeah.
The song after this is like one of the most replayed segments. People share my sentiments, I guess.
My favorite thing about those is how they just, the Yoshi gets progressively closer and closer.
Is that happening?
Yeah. So if you don't...
Oh my god.
So if you don't look at it...
Yeah, and I don't,
it's
it's
just
on
like...
another tab. And he does, too.
Yoshi's just there.
I've listened to this playlist, like, probably like 6 or 7 times while doing game dev on stream, and I have never noticed that. Anyway. That's weird. Here. This'll fix things. Now we don't need that jank, like...
Hello?
Is this that frickin' bottle song? It is. The Betty Bottle... Sorry, Betty Bottle Crisis. Alright, now I'm switching playlists. I'm done with this. I only have one other one open. We're gonna do this instead. I've been playing the Katamari remake, it's pretty fun. If not, don't pause timer on grab. That sucks to read, but it'll simplify things from a UI perspective, I think. So it's worth it. Maybe.
Stuff's in the dryer, which means I'm going to bed soon.
Have a good night. Love you too.
Bye. Goon and watches chat.
Although, however, I would prefer to not have this, like, weird song that's just mostly a cappella. Ow. Alright, how about this other playlist that's calm and relaxing music from Katamari? That seems like a much better vibe. That was just the straight-up soundtrack from start to finish. Is that too loud? I feel like I'm over... Yeah, it's super... Sorry, everyone. One sec. My apologies. Oh, I can erase that bug now because we fixed it. Boom. It's loud, but it's the best music I ever heard, so it's okay. I'll turn it up a little bit then. Everybody loves Little Katamari. Anyway, as I was saying, I've been playing that a little bit off stream. It's such a charming video game. Love me some Katamari. Okay, I think that's all good to go. Oh, I'm like all over the place. Sorry, chat. I'll go make the UI thing now, so that we can actually toggle that setting on and off. Katamari's number 21. Which one? Oh, we love Katamari. There you go. I don't know. You know, my PS2 games are over there. Actually, some of them are over here, but I don't think Katamari is. Yeah, no. Just the Tony Hawk games on PS2 are over here. And my Silent Hill games and Metal Gear Solid. Anyway, point is, I don't know which Katamari... I don't know how to rank them quality-wise. I played most of them. Actually, hold on, I say that. How many Katamari games are there? Sorry, I keep getting sidetracked here. Katamari Damacy is the first one, right? We Love Katamari, is that the one for the 360? So there was a game in 2016 released called Tap My Katamari. Oh, Reroll is from like, what the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so Reroll is one that was released in 2018, or maybe that was a remake as well? But there's like a new remake that's We Love Katamari, Reroll plus Royal Revere, or Revier. I don't know if that's like 6 different ones rolled together. Okay, so We Love Katamari is the second one. And that was a PS2 one. Okay, I think I definitely played... Yeah, I played all of those. Although Me and My Katamari, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's for PSP. Yeah, that's why I've never heard of it. And there's a mobile one, Beautiful Katamari. Beautiful Katamari is the one I was thinking of. I played that too. I think I've played I Love Katamari. Oh no, that was also a mobile game. Katamari Forever is the one I played as well. Okay, so I played like half of them. The ones I haven't are all mobile games, apparently. It's very hard to keep track of. Actually, you know what? I think I still have the disc for that, too, so I could have just checked. But, again, my 360 games are also on the shelf that my PS2 games are on. Or at least most of my PS2 games. Minus these 10 or so that are right here. And also, for some reason, my copy of Black Ops 1. Wait, is this... No, this is Modern Warfare 3. That's not the same thing as Black Ops 1. For PC, of course, you know? That I have a physical disc of for some reason, even though that game came out, like, way after digital media was, like, pretty mainstream. Details. Anyway, rambling aside, menu. Where may menu be? Inputs. Scenes. And I'll go ahead and make a setting and wire it up for the other thing as well, while we're at it. There we go. Matte settings menu. It's gonna need to move some things up. Where is the... Oh. Gross. Can I put them at, like, the top? Just so because we're gonna probably keep adding to this over time. Just so I can click and drag like this and do this. Oh, oops. Just round these out. Nice, that's already rounded. That's already rounded. That's already rounded. And that's already rounded. Like I planned it. Oh, well, those are rounded because they're already... I didn't move those. Now I need checkboxes. Well, at least I don't need to sync anything. That'll be kind of nice. I might need to move these up a little more, actually. Ugh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stinky. Thanks, Unity. Normally this would be where the Godot stands pop in and take this opportunity to shit on Unity, but they probably wouldn't even open the stream if they saw me doing stuff in Unity, so I think we're safe. Oh, it undid everything. God damn it. That sucks. You know what? I think maybe I should align this after I get all my settings finalized. I'm not gonna worry about it.
I know you love me. I wanna word you up into my life.
Oof, that's pretty big.
To be a single star in the sky. I hear you calling me. I wanna word you up into my life. Let's love up to make a single star in the sky.
Alright, 375 is where it's at. We're gonna need to make this a bit thicker. Not quite that thicker. Oh, you know what? Shoot, I should, No, other way around, damn it. Ah, I'm backwards. Send me back. There we go. There we go. I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with. Okay, that is aligned though.
A single star in the sky. I need you to feel me. I wanna word you into my life. Let's love up to make a single star in the sky to you.
That's why that wasn't set the same. You know, we'll get rid of that colon too. I don't think I need that. We can maybe just put these all in a row or something. Maybe a header or something. Hey, Sugar7. Welcome on in. Thank you for the follow.
Let's roll up to be a single star in the sky. I hear you calling me. I wanna word you up into my life.
Yeah, forget the like text on this thing.
A single star in the sky to you.
I'm just delete it actually. Got him. So tiny. How do I set its initial state? Oh, maybe up here. Yep, interactable is on. Yeah, there we go. So I think that's it. I'm not sure. Oh, you son of a bitch. Well, okay, hold on. Oh, wait. Ooh. Okay, maybe not bad, actually. Set native size. Oops. Why is the toggle up there? Did I offset this? Oh, shoot. Yes, I did. That actually explains some stuff. Still off. Why? Oh, why do that? Why not just anchor it like this? Oh, I know why the width was different, because it has the label on it, or had the label on it, rather. Okay, now I should be able to scale it without any, like, crazy offsets with the marker. Big checkbox. I don't know if that plays well with the UI stuff. Hopefully it does. Hey, what's up, Zedtix Pro? How you doing? And thank you for the follow as well. Don't mind my UI tinkering. We'll be done with this soon and get back to fun stuff. Remote bombs. You know, we'll just call it pause as well. Boom. Did I not rename something? Oh, I didn't get rid of the one on this. What am I working on? Here, I'll show you in just a second here. We'll need to wire up these checkboxes in a minute, but that's okay. So I'm working on, this is sort of a like 3D Bomberman clone. Oh, no map selected, oops. Oh, wrong button. Oh, wait, something totally went wrong. Oh, I know why. I'm not, god. Okay, you know, I'll just build it. It'll be easier. But yeah, sort of like a party game, old school style. That's got net play. I don't know why I minimized all of Unity. Okay, so yeah, so you know, it's kind of Bomberman style where you got bombs you can throw around and stuff. Sounds good. Thanks. I do have an alpha that I've released, but it's comically far behind at this point. I need to update that. I might send an updated build out soon. I do have all the source control available. All of the source code on my GitHub, though, if anyone is curious. It's pretty much the entire project, minus... There's, like, some setup you have to do outside of just loading the project. Just because I didn't include my, like, account IDs for the, Photon networking account that I'm using to make this work. Was it hard to make the PvP? Yes and no. That's kind of why I started this project. I wanted to teach myself like to do netcode. So I'm using a framework called Photon Unity Networking, or PUN for short. It has made a lot of things incredibly easy compared to like attempts at games with multiplayer that I've tried in the past. But there's definitely a lot of gotchas and like design considerations when you're doing netcoding. So I would hesitate to call it simple, but it definitely was a lot easier than, you know, rolling your own solution for stuff like this. There's also other options out there in terms of like stuff you can do for online play without having to like roll your own solution. Or you could just make your own code too, but the first hour of stream tonight I spent pretty much just getting that mechanic of picking bombs up working a little more smoothly. And now we're adding some bells and whistles to it. Look how this stuff works. Alright, so when we close this menu, there's the confirm button. And we call on match config saved. Oh, so it's as simple as this. Oh, I just need a reference to the checkboxes. Okay, cool. And those are called toggles, not checkboxes. Oh yeah, likewise. Like, I mean, it's definitely not simple, but I don't know. It's been kind of fun working with it. Just kind of figure out like how it works and stuff. There's a lot of tutorials online too, which is pretty cool. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna actually change the language of this setting. Instead of using like a double negative or like a reverse boolean, I'm gonna call this run bomb timer when held. I think that's a slightly better name for that variable. Oh, toggle. Run, detonate bombs when held, toggle. How long have I been working on it? Let me check exactly. I only work on this like once a week for about 4 hours per stream. But I started on it in November 17th of last year. And then I released the alpha on March 31st. So it's been a while, but it's not like I've been doing this like every stream and like really grinding it out. Which I probably should put a little more focus on it for that, but I don't know. We'll see. The thing that's tough is, during at least part of that time, I was in the middle of like releasing an actual project I was working on with other people, so like that took priority, and then I'm a programmer for my day job, so like, so as not to get burnt out on the few occasions where I did stream during that time period, I usually wasn't doing a lot of coding on stream. But yeah, that's just how it goes. Oh, I need to... Yeah. So... Run bomb timer when held. And then we need another one called... Allow detonations when held. Prior to this on stream, and I think this was like, this might have been 2020. You know, I'm gonna go back to my tab over here. I have a tab on my like list of games I've streamed that has all of the dev projects I've done on stream. Actually, just in general, all the dev projects I have, because I also have Stray Light up there, which is the game I've worked on, which I've never worked on stream. But I made a crappy Resident Evil clone. It was 2021. We did that in just under 60 hours. Then I made DLC for it last Halloween. Right on. Good stuff. What engine are you working on, if you don't mind me asking? If you are using an engine, that is. It's also entirely possible. Oh, shoot, chat. Oh, dang it. What the hell is that? Anyway, my buddy got... Oh, using Unity? Nice. My buddy got me a more up-to-date build of that one project we worked on a million years ago. It was a silly game we were working on called Tighten Up. It was sort of like a Nidhogg clone. It really wasn't, but that was our like baseline inspiration for how we were making the game. It had sort of tug-of-war-ish elements, but it was also kind of like Mega Man-like. We did that in God, what's the language called? Or framework called? Not XNA. It's like based on XNA. What the hell am I thinking of? Wow, I'm like really out of it. Doesn't matter. Like non-platform specific XNA is essentially what that is. But it's all like C# and whatever. Mono game. There we go. Oh, FPO. There you go. Thank you. However, that build he got me, I downloaded it on my other computer, then I fixed my good PC, which is what I'm streaming on right now, so it's not on here anymore. Or I don't have it readily available. I was gonna pull that out during a game dev stream, and then I went and fixed my PC last weekend. Also, I don't know what is on my ceiling, but it's kind of weird. I think it's just a bug. Okay, I need to assign these, but I also need to set the variables in the launcher code. Also, welcome to my stream where I get sidetracked a lot. Spider-Man? Could be. I have had a spider, like, just straight up drop down. I don't think it's a spider. It's kind of long. I could point my camera up there, but you probably wouldn't see it anyway. It's you know, larger than like a fly, but not that much larger than a fly. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. Wait, wrong one. Is on, and then we, oops, that's semicolon, not a comma. I did it backwards. Oh well. No. I'm in the US. Just a lot of bugs in my streaming room, so it happens. Okay, so that's all saved. We just need to now bind these two toggles. I think that's actually all we need to do. Let me double check. Yeah, there's nowhere we like reset everything. In fact, I think we just reset by newing up like a new instance of this, so the default values will carry through that way. Ugh. Okay. This guy who tests 10 million variables. Let's add some more. Cool. That should now carry through correctly, and also our next thing will also work. Let's test it out. Now there is a fly in my face. You know, it's not even like my basement's like dirty or like I have food out or anything. I can't explain it. Start up. There we go. Oh yeah, I have a level editor in my game as well. I need to make that work better. That one doesn't really matter, but okay. Why is that getting worse? I don't understand. Okay, I think that's working, but I guess the ultimate test is I'll see if this blows up in my hands. It does. Failed to find... what the hell? Okay, well there's a null reference going off. Probably should fix that. Damn it. Give me the stack trace. Alright, I need to enhance this. I can't fucking see. Oh. Oh, I understand now. Okay, so our code to transfer ownership when you throw or drop the bomb needs to check if it's exploded already, because at that point we don't need to do any of that, I think. Hope that won't blow anything up, but it will also... I mean, clearly it's working, but, you know, that's weird. And I probably shouldn't let that happen. Yeah, here. Wait, no, it checks if it's exploding. So that's in drop bomb. Oh! Oh! Okay, yeah. The ownership transfer does not care whether it's exploding, so... I think we just do that. Test that real quick. And we'll add the last thing in there, and I think we're pretty much good. Need to add like a display over here of what the match settings are, and maybe a button to go re-edit them if you're the host. Because it doesn't really sync them until you're like done or whatever. Okay, so now I let go. Okay, there's a warning. Oh, you know what? Actually, forget all that. Don't even call the RPC if the thing's already gone. Alright. I'm satisfied that that will fix everything. And by everything, I mean the warning and error messages that didn't actually affect anything. So last thing to do is we gotta go change logic in the remote detonation code. Ooh, so it doesn't detonate it if someone's holding on to it. I think that's in the player. Oh. Well, that's definitely weird. Oh, wait. No, that's the only place we use it. Okay, it's actually totally fine. How do I handle the detonation, though? Okay. On detonate. There we go. On detonate. If bombs is remote bomb. And bombs at I is held. Damn it. How are we gonna do this? So okay, I have a plan. Helped. First of all, I need a public method to check this, but, yeah, I could have opened my already open bomb tab, but I didn't. You know what? I could make this private now and just call is held from the time bomb. Whoa! Thank you, autocomplete. / me pressing the wrong buttons. So the only other thing I need to worry about now is held is only getting set on the person that currently owns the bomb. And we do it after we transfer this ownership. So that's bad. So we just set it locally as well. And then I pray that should probably work. We'll see. I guess we can test that and we'll see if it works or not. Oh, wait, it doesn't matter at all. Yo, LucasPad2, thanks for the follow. At some point I will update my follow notification, and all my notifications for that matter. Oh, that's already there. I already put it in there. Wait, oh shoot, okay, hold on. First of all, we want not held. This logic kind of sucks. So if it's a remote bomb and room setting, room manager dot get match settings dot allow detonations when held. Or not held. Yes. Okay. So this will override it and allow it to blow up even if you're holding it, but only if this setting is set. Cool. And I should be able to test that, at least in, like, with just one player. We'll see. I need to beef up the level editor at some point. Sort of a side note. Because right now it kind of sucks. It's very tedious. It is fully functional. Well, not fully. It's almost fully functional with a joystick. You can't input parameters like the blocks that can contain stuff. You can't edit that UI menu. And you also can't write the name of the level you're saving. But other than that, it works just fine. Okay. So, remote bombs can't be detonated when held. Also, these shouldn't blow up while I'm holding them with time bombs. Let's see if that works. It's working. And you know what? We'll just put our bomb here, because that's where I want it to be anyway. Alright, now we got remote bombs. Still detonate them normally. It's in my hand, so I can't detonate it, but I put it down, and I can detonate it. Awesome. I may want to test that out with multiple people just because of the ownership changes. Like if another player picks it up, puts it down, that should still work, but I'm not sure. You know, I might need to put a buffer time or something in there too, because while you won't be able to blow it up while someone's holding it, the second they let go, you can press the button and it should work, in theory, like that. Which, you know, if it's you, obviously you wouldn't blow yourself up like that, but if someone else is holding it, you might just spam the button. Well, those are details for another day. Again, this isn't supposed to be some, like, you know, frickin' MLG Pro... oh, here's what I want to test. Okay, so two cases here. One, put two bombs down, hold the second one. And blow up the first one, no problem. Nice. Second scenario, put one down, put a second one down, pick up the first one, hit detonate. Nice, it skips over the first one. Then I can detonate it again. Awesome. I guess the last case is just put one down, put two down, put three down, pick up two. Perfect. Alright. Let me just test another scenario of, like, the second player being in the room. I like that the player win screen showed up for like half a second on the other player's screen. Took a second to like sync that out of there, I guess. Okay, so put this bomb down, and I also put this bomb down. Player 1, you go up, pick that bomb up, and toss it. You know what? Hell, fuck it. Pick this bomb up, put it down. Just to make sure both of those work correctly. And go back here. Shoot, I didn't pay attention to which one I put where. I think the one closer to us was the one that was the second one I touched. Which is the second one that I laid as the other player. Let me double check to make sure it didn't like fuck with the order or anything. Actually, you know what? I picked them up in order anyway, so not a great test in general. There's only one test case I can't really effectively test. I guess I could hack it so like maybe you grab as a toggle or something. Or maybe that could even be a proper menu setting. That way I could tab out, do the other one, and then yeah. Wait. I forgot what order I put them in. Okay. The one by the quarter broken one is the first one by the empty hole is the second one, the one on top of everything is the third one. So player, go pick up number 2, or other player, go pick up number 2. Eat it. So now it's in the center. Okay, so number 1 should be that one there. Hello, thank you for that. Hover over text there. I might have been covering that, actually. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Alright. Ordering seems to be working still. Okay. Oh my god, they take the power-ups with them with... Okay, I'm gonna log that as a bug. I'm not fixing that tonight, though. Power-ups disappear when host leaves. That might just be a setting, though, on those objects, like transfer ownership instead of disappearing or something. Because it does have logic to set a new room host when you leave. I mean, that's just default in general. Okay, eventually I want to make it so you can pick up the power-ups and ideally get players to have like a dizzy state or something. We can pick them up too. So I'm totally not just fully ripping off Bomberman 64. Cool. Okay, well that's functional. Oh, the only other thing I gotta check is the actual menu setting, which I didn't look at. So, create a room. Tested that the setting when off functions as expected. Still detonate stuff normally. I can detonate stuff after throwing it. Oh, I didn't. It works. Oops. Oh, also, you know what? There's like a die function in here somewhere. Actually, I'm gonna commit what I have right now, and then I'll update that. Enhance, bomb, pick up, and throw. Add menu settings for old setting. I don't know. Push that code. Where's my oh, there we go. Die. I forget if I delete the rigid body on the player that for the other instances of it, but I don't think I do. Either way. Turn gravity off when we die, so that doesn't happen where you just fall through the plane and everything. Alright. Like that as well. And push that out as well. Very big commit there. Yeah. Honestly, it's 10:30. I could probably start something else tonight, but I kind of don't want to. I thought all of this stuff would take me all night, but man, kind of plowed through that. So yeah, I think stream's not over, but I think I'm gonna play some games now. I think we left things in a pretty decent state. Yeah, I'm just thinking if there's anything else I could do here right now. I could show you guys the editor. Not that I'm gonna do anything with it. But hey. I forget how to use it. How do I change the tile? Oh, well, there's the help menu. Z and C change the tile. See, look, I'm building the level. Rotate it. Anyway, not important. That needs work done. I need to eventually like add better like mass tile placement and stuff, just so you don't have to like individually click every single tile you want to place. But you know, details. Just other ease of use things that I can mess with. Yeah, I think for now we're gonna probably put the cap on the dev part of the stream, just for lack of anything else that I want to work on at the moment. So if y'all are peacing out, I'm not done with stream yet, but I totally understand if you just want to watch game dev and nothing else. I don't know what I'm gonna play actually. Might put up a poll. We'll see. But yeah. First, I'm gonna take a little break though. So give me a sec here. Let me go ahead and set some stuff.